Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how you can use a feature that is on an iPhone on Android called Text Replace. It is a little bit different on the Android. It's either called Text Shortcut or you could go into the dictionary. But this makes things a lot easier when you have to fill out your address or your email address or stuff that you have to continuously retype. This will save you time. So let me go ahead and dive in. So what we're going to do is this is on the Pixel 10 Fold. So we're going to go to Settings. Then we're going to scroll down to, actually what we're going to do is we're just going to type in keyboard at the top. Perfect. Alright, so once you're in keyboard, and this is one feature I do love about Android, it kind of flashes where it is in the settings, which is awesome. So you're going to go to keyboard, then you go on-screen keyboard, you're going to go to Gboard. You're going to scroll down until you see dictionary. Go ahead and click on dictionary. You might see text shortcut. If you do see that, click on that. Then we're going to go to personal dictionary, US, and then from here, this is where you can create your kind of pre-built shortcuts. So for example, type in the word. So I'm going to put info, add nude computer guys.com, and then I can create a shortcut, and I usually do the @ symbol because that way if I type it in if I type in something similar to it, it doesn't automatically pop up. There we go. Done. So we're going to click back. So there's one, and then I'm going to also just type in this. I might just do Nude computer guys, just like that, without the @ symbol. So now what I can do is I can go to Note. So I'm going to go to my notes here. So the cool thing is if I type in the @ Nude computer guys, there we go, and I can just tap on it. It's going to automatically fill that in. Now if I just do the Nude computer guys here, it'll automatically type that in as well. So this is a really great way to save yourself time from having to type, especially on a smaller screen. So this is basically the equivalent of Text Replace on the iPhone. There are limitations on it on the Android if you come from the iPhone version. Like for example, you can do a short sentence if you want, but you can't do like a whole entire paragraph, unfortunately, and that's one of the key drawbacks of this, which unfortunately I wish they would add, is like the ability to add a whole entire paragraph or structure or something, so you don't have to copy and paste and all that. It saves you from having to go to multiple apps to do a copy and a paste. But if you enjoyed this, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content on this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.